My name is Maggie and I'm doing shoemaking, pumps and heels at LCF. Well, I mean, I've never realized how much work goes into making a pair of shoes. I mean, we all wear shoes every day. It's quite crazy. So Nafi from Cyprus, he has been working in the shoe industry for a really long time. He said his whole life. He was born into the shoe industry. His family's in the shoe industry as well. His daughter, who also teaches here, he was teaching us how the industry worked, which was really cool. Yeah, it was neat to see them kind of come together. And so it was very cool. I mean, he would show us how we do it, and then he would explain to us how it would work in the industry, what that would look like if you had 1,000 pairs of shoes to make a day or 5,000 pairs of shoes a day to make. So it was really neat to see that. So I actually do want to get into shoemaking more seriously. So it was, I guess, my first or second stepping stone in learning how that works, what that would look like. And he offered a lot of great advice too on how I could get into the industry, who I should talk to, which was really cool. And we made pumps, and now I'm excited to learn how to make a different type of shoe and carry that knowledge forward. So if you really want to get hands-on, in-depth knowledge of how to make shoes, from first step to last step, from putting the heel on to just making the last and making the patterns, this is an awesome shoe course to take. I've taken a course somewhere else for shoemaking and it wasn't nearly as in-depth. So yeah, if you want to get into shoemaking, this is definitely a great place to do it. I'd like to become a contracted designer for small brands to make their gloves and their shoes. That's my small little dream right now.